to Angel's Kitchen. Today I'm back with another recipe of cheesecake on special demand by my vegetarian followers and viewers. Today I'll be sharing a recipe of no-bake eggless cheesecake. So if you haven't tried the previous one, do try this one. I'm sure you're gonna love this. So let's begin with it. Let's begin by grinding biscuits into the fine powder. So I have grounded the biscuits. Now transfer them to the bowl. Add melted butter. Now we're going to mix them together. Make sure all the biscuits are coated well with butter. Once done, take a mold. Again, we are going to use a mold in which the base will be kind of detachable base mold we are using. The base can be separated. So pour your biscuit mixture and we'll make the bed of biscuits. Spread this evenly and start pressing from the edges. Use very light hands and slowly start moving towards center. We are not going to put too much of pressure on this. Just use very light hands. Our second step is add gelatin into the bowl. Use the utensils, the steel or any other utensils which you can heat on the gas, because we are going to heat it later. So I'm using the steel bowl here. Pour 1/4 cup of water on it. It's a normal water. I have taken room temperature water. So now we are going to keep this aside for 10 minutes. Now we are going to whip our cream. This is the Amul cream. You just take out the cream in the bowl and keep the bowl in the freezer for 10 minutes before whipping it. Add cream into the bowl. We are going to whip it until smooth. So we are done with the whipping part. You can see the smooth and the creamy texture. Now we are going to keep this aside. Now take a fresh bowl and add curd into it. Add powdered sugar. Now we are going to use hand whisker to mix this. Now add cheese spread. And whisk it again. Make sure the cheese spread mixes well. After this, we are going to add cream into this. This is the same whipped cream. Mix them together. Let's begin by heating soaked gelatin on low flame until it dissolves properly. Keep stirring. Make sure your flame is low. So you can see the gelatin has dissolved properly. Now we are going to turn off the flame, and now we will not wait for a minute. Immediately we are going to pour this into the cream. Now pour this and immediately whisk this. We are not going to wait at this step. Once mixed properly, now we will add strawberry crush, icing sugar, and mix them well. Just to make it look more bright, I'm adding 3 to 4 drops of red. It's a bright pink food color. Don't use red. Use bright pink color. You can see the color has turned to pink. So our batter is ready. Now our biscuit mixture has cooled down. Use a foil paper and cover the mold. And now we are going to pour cheesecake batter into this. Look at the color, it looks amazing. Now we are gonna keep this in the refrigerator for minimum 10 hours to set. So it's already 10 hours now. Our cake is properly set, so time to demold. Let's begin by scraping the sides. By doing this, cake will come out easily. Use simple glass to demold. Remove the foil paper. keep the cake mold on the top of glass and slowly put the pressure and move it downwards. See, it has easily come out. So always prefer to use a cake mold with detachable base whenever you are cooking a cheesecake. So this was our no-bake eggless cheesecake. I hope you loved it and it's equally good. And thank you so much for sharing the photographs and the pictures of the recipe you have been trying at home. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Angel's Kitchen on YouTube for more amazing upcoming recipes. Bye-bye.